Compound Security Systems, in conjunction with D. Moses Consulting, are pleased to announce the launch of the Sound Barrier System SBS-128 for remote perimeter protection. The SBS-128 comprises three main components: a 128 decibel siren, complete with ballistic shielding, and a 1.5 kilowatt strobe unit and a highly stable external infrared motion detection system. Designed to be mounted directly onto the perimeter fencing at approximately 15-metre intervals in remote areas, the SBS-128 system removes the ability of would-be attackers to see or hear, rendering them incapable of breaching the perimeter. The state-of-the-art infrared motion sensors have a detection pattern of 40 by 26 feet and will detect people approaching the perimeter whilst ignoring small animals. The sounder unit is constructed from 2.5mm stainless steel for durability and resistance to thrown objects and small caliber ammunition. The speakers are mounted to a removable front plate, making replacement of speaker panels quick and easy. The control electronics are mounted in the rear of the unit, and a 5mm thick steel plate can be installed between these two sections for additional ballistic resistance of key electronics. The 1.5 kilowatt strobe unit, designed to be mounted directly to the top of the SBS-128, is also manufactured from 2.5mm stainless steel with a 10mm polycarbonate front window. The infrared motion sensors can also be similarly armoured if required. Work crews and guard patrols are issued with a belt-worn radio frequency identifier that deactivates the motion sensors in the immediate area, allowing them to move around freely without activating the system. When intruders enter the detection zone of any of the motion sensors, 3 sounders are activated each side of the detector that detects the movement. This activates the warning message, "Warning, sound barrier system activating." The sounder devices will then activate and emit a 128 decibel tone, as well as activating the 1.5 kilowatt strobe unit. Intruders will be completely disoriented and unable to continue their progress. The SBS-128 system demonstrated is ideal for manned compounds in remote areas. However, for remote unmanned sites such as pipeline pressure release valves, etc., the system can be adapted to run on solar or wind turbine power.